How to increase cell size in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, we are going to talk about how you can increase the cell size in Excel. Let's get started. Change this by pressing keyboard shortcut, which is Alt-H-O-H, and you can see the row height box is here. If I write here 30 and click OK, you can see the cell height has been changed. Now if I want to change the cell width, we can use another keyboard shortcut, which is Alt-H-O-W, and now let's give it a value and click OK, and you can see the cell width has been changed. Now if you want to change height of multiple cells, so select the cell and then go to format, row height, and change it. Click OK, and you can see the height of all this cell has been changed. If I click on format, then column width, and change it to this and click OK, and you can see column width or the width of this cell has been changed. Okay, you can do this also. Now if you select the entire column, you can use the same procedure we have used for increasing cell size. You can right click and then change the column width, and if you select entire row, you can do that, right click, row height, or you can go to format menu. If you want to change the cell size of entire worksheet, just select the entire worksheet and then format, row height, and format, column width, and you can see the entire worksheet's cell size has been changed. These are the ways you can increase or decrease cell size. Mainly you cannot increase a specific cell size, you have to increase either the row height or column width. This is how you can increase a cell size. Also there is another way. If you want to truly increase a cell size, you can select two cell or multiple cell and click on merge and center. It will look like the cell size has been changed, but actually it will not change. Okay, it will just merge two cells. This is another way to change the cell size in Excel, but we don't use it and you don't have to either. So just stick with the row height and column width option and it will be great. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.